Welcome, Class 10 students. Have you ever wondered why your bicycle gets rusty or why some foods go bad after a while? It's all thanks to something called oxidation. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of oxidation reactions and their everyday effects, specifically focusing on corrosion and rancidity. Understanding these processes is crucial for keeping our world running smoothly and our food fresh. Oxidation reactions are happening all around us, all the time. Sometimes they're super helpful, like when our bodies turn food into energy, but often they can cause damage and spoil things. Today, we're going to dive into two very common and important examples, corrosion and rancidity. Take a look at this rusty bicycle, this stale piece of bread, and this old, smelly chip packet. What do these seemingly different things have in common? They're all victims of oxidation. So the big question is oxidation a friend or a foe? Oxidation reactions are everywhere, sometimes helpful, but often they cause damage. Let's look at two important examples. First up, let's talk about corrosion. This is a big problem for metals, especially iron. Imagine a piece of iron, like a gate or a fence, left out in the rain. Over time, it starts to turn a reddish-brown color. This is rust, and it's a perfect example of corrosion. Corrosion is the slow eating away of metals due to chemical reactions with air and moisture. It's like the metal is slowly dissolving because of its environment. The most common example is the rusting of iron. When iron Fe reacts with oxygen O in the air and water, hydrogen oxide, it forms hydrated iron 3 oxide, iron 3 oxide XHO, which is what we call rust. But don't worry, there are ways to prevent corrosion. We can paint metals, apply oil or grease, galvanize them by coating them with zinc, or even create alloys like stainless steel. All these methods act as a protective barrier. Now let's move on to something that affects our food, rancidity. Have you ever left a packet of chips open for too long, and then when you try to eat them, they taste and smell terrible? That's rancidity in action. Rancidity is the oxidation of fats and oils in food, which causes that awful taste and smell. It's why foods with fats and oils, like chips, butter, and nuts, can go bad. To prevent rancidity, we can store food in airtight containers, keep them in the refrigerator, or even add special substances called antioxidants, which slow down the oxidation process. That's why many packaged chips are filled with nitrogen gas. It prevents oxygen from reacting with the oils. So why is all this important in our daily lives? Corrosion affects everything from bridges and cars to tiny electronic components. Rancidity impacts our food supply and can even make us sick if we eat spoiled food. The key takeaway? To protect metals from corrosion, avoid moisture. To keep your food fresh and prevent rancidity, avoid oxygen. Oxidation is a powerful process. Control it, and you protect both machines and meals. This video was powered by Quizly, making science simple.